Hello guys, good evening and welcome to Everything Metallurgy. So today is a very important video. We came up with two important announcements. Okay, so I know many of you have been asking for the videos, and today is the time that we bought with two announcements. What is it? Number one, we know that GATE examination consists of how many? 65 questions, correct? So out of the 65, what are these? We have 55 technical questions, that is our metallurgy core questions, and 10 aptitude questions, right? So what I'm planning to do is, for the next 2 months, or maybe for the till GATE examination, we will choose important questions, important previous year questions from the existing whatever questions that we have from 2000 to 2021, and make videos on the YouTube channel so that you will get an idea of what are all the important questions. I know many of you have been asking me about which questions or which topics to keep more focus on. So maybe this is an important step that you may appreciate. So I know how you all have been supporting Everything Metallurgy, and last year what we did was 100 days 100 concepts. We bought in 100 concepts which helped many people. The feedback is fantabulous, and we know how helpful it is for students at the last crucial time, right? The same way we are planning to come up with different videos picking up some important model questions. So you can say that these are our picks for the GATE question paper. Okay, so we'll be coming out roughly, we are trying to make 55 technical questions if time permits. If time permits, then definitely we are going to also bring in aptitude questions. So expect some huge active videos on this channel from maybe next weekend, right? So this is the first announcement. What is it? We are coming out with our own GATE MT question paper. Okay, again, don't think that we are making our own questions, as we all know how important the previous year question paper solving is, understanding the previous year question concepts is. We came to this conclusion to make videos picking up important questions. Okay, this is number one announcement. Okay, expect important model questions in the coming days forward on Everything Metallurgy YouTube channel. Now, what is the next one? So next one is pretty much interesting, and by now everybody has to expect this, because even in the last year we did this, which is nothing but a live previous year question solving. What is it? So just now, as I told you that how important the previous year question papers are, the same way is to understand the concept behind it. Of course, we are doing some 65 questions which make you a good understanding of how question paper or how important the models are, but we can't expect, right? Life is uncertain, everything is uncertain. The same with any examination also, correct? So we are launching for the second time the live previous year question solving. That means we will be solving live. So this is kind of a live classroom online sessions where we will be solving each and every previous year question starting from 2010 to 2021, and this will be starting from December 1st 2021. So we have good 20 days time, okay, where we are actually giving students and more students to come in. Why? Because we know how crucial this is in the last period, last 100 days to go, around 100 days to go to the examination. Okay, and similarly, again, everything is quite similar to the last year. The fee for this would be 2,999. Okay, and trust me, these sessions will be clearing each and every concept and revising each and every question or concept that you have already studied till now. So this is going to be a game changer for people who are serious about their GATE question paper. And remember, this time we have PSUs, we have IOCL into the picture, we have DRDO announced that they will be recruiting metallurgists. So please be serious about your preparation, at least from now, and try to enroll into this program. And of course, people who can afford and people who are serious about the GATE 2022, I strongly recommend you to come join and discuss. So live interaction would be there. As I already told, this is just like a live online sessions between you and me, where we are going to discuss each and every question right from 2010 to 2021. And because this is live, we can discuss or we can actually analyze any particular concept or concept behind a question, so that you can learn even more. Okay, what all you will be getting, as I told you, the live classroom sessions. And don't worry, people, if they are actually missing, the recorded course is already available on the website for $19.99. But again, because of the live, the cost may seem a bit more higher. But people who have even enrolled for live batch, if they are missing due to some some circumstance, even they are able to see the recorded videos. Okay, so no worries at all. Recorded videos will be provided of this year's, okay, not the previous years, right? So this is number one. You will be getting live previous year question solving, and this is along with aptitude. So last year we did not do aptitude, but this year we are doing all the 65 questions, right? MT plus aptitude, general aptitude will be covered. Okay, and again, for more details, you can join the WhatsApp group, which is provided in the description, so that you can actually discuss. If you have any other queries, if you want to ask me something, you can join in and jump in with your questions. So what all you will be getting: number one, the live previous year question solving sessions. If you miss, you will be getting the recorded ones. And remember, this is also including aptitude. Number two, you will be getting full test series. So even if you see the question solving, some people want to analyze themselves by writing. Okay, you keep a particular time period and there'll be panic. So time management, for the time management purpose, we are also giving the full test series. Okay, so the full test series is also available individually, but along with this, we are giving it free. So you will be getting the full free test packages, which consists of about 70 tests, section wise tests, as well as my full tests or the grand test, whatever you want to call. Okay, so everything will be packed in the same thing. Okay, so this is definitely one of the most affordable, and trust me, this is going to be one of the most useful crash course for GATE metallurgy ever. So the link will be in the description. Do join the WhatsApp group with your doubts, and we can schedule it accordingly if you have any further doubts. So that's it from my end. Two announcements, the most awaited two important announcements, the most awaited announcement of the year. We are coming out with a series of 65 questions, and also do comment on if you have any catchy name, catchy title for that. Last year how we came up with the hashtag 100 days 100 concepts. Do suggest us for the same with this year 65 questions which we are going to plan. Okay, so the title, please do comment down in the description or the comment, sorry. And number two, the live crash course itself. So that's it from my end. Hoping to see each and every one of you in the upcoming 100 days or upcoming 3 months, whatever is left, and all the very best for GATE 2022. That's it from my end. We'll meet you again in the next video. Thank you guys.